Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to fix mobile hotspot not working in Windows 11. If you find this guide useful, leave me a like and subscribe. Thank you. Well, the first step would be to go to the browser and search for View Network Connections. Here, right-click on your Internet, Properties. Now let's go to Sharing and make sure you have this box unchecked. Well, now we will go to the search engine again and search for Registry Editor. Click on File, Export, and we'll make a backup. Okay, now copy what's in the description and paste it here. Enter. And you should get these files. All you have to do is right-click on Hosted Network Settings and delete it. Well, now let's go to Settings, Network and Internet, and make sure that this here is listed as connected. Then we will go to Device Manager, Network Adapters, and here right-click Update Driver, and then click here. Repeat this process with all of them. Well, now simply reboot the PC and it should be fixed. If you found the video useful, leave me a like. If you have any questions, leave me a comment. Thanks.